Hello there, I'm Sumit Bansal from craftofblogging.com, and in this video I'm going to show you how to install a theme and how to customize a theme. So when you install WordPress for the first time, it installs a basic theme. So if I open my website right now, it has a default theme which looks something like this. It may change in the future, but this is a default theme here. And there is nothing wrong with the default theme, but everyone has one because this is the default one. So what you need is to get a theme which is more customizable, which looks better, and which is lightweight at the same time, because your theme would determine how fast your site would load. So I recommend using a theme called GeneratePress. Now you can check out multiple themes. There is no limitation. There are many free themes available. You can check out other paid themes as well. I personally prefer GeneratePress, and on my blog craftofblogging.com I'm using GeneratePress only. So to install a theme, you need to go to Appearance and then go to Theme here, and you can see this is the active theme 2017, and there are other themes as well. You can add a new theme here. So I would click here and I can search from many themes available. You can use these options, but because I know what theme I want, I will simply search for it, which is a GeneratePress. This is the theme I'm talking about, and I can simply click on install. Now, as of now, this is the free version of the theme. So if you search from here and you install this theme, this is the free version. You don't have to pay anything. You simply come here, activate it, and it would be applied. So if I go back here, see, this is how my site was looking. Now when I hit refresh, my site changes and this is how it looks now. Now you may be thinking that this is very dull and boring, but first of all, you can customize many parts in it, and second is that it looks very professional when it's clean and it loads really fast. So obviously you can change the logo and the colors and many different things, but the idea here is that it loads very fast and it is highly customizable. So now when you have installed this theme, you can customize it here. So again, if you go to Appearance and you go to Customize, it'll open this screen, and because this is a free theme, there would be limitations. Now in WordPress, if you want to modify a theme, till a few years ago you had to know CSS and backend coding, and then only you would be able to change minor things. But now, after GeneratePress has come and other good themes have come out, it has become a bit easier to customize these. So now there are these options. There is the site identity option where you can have the title and the tagline. You can have the logo, the site icon. So these options, I'm not going to go into each option, but I'm going to show you briefly what these are. So layout is how your options, so how big your container should be. This is a container. Then it has the header, the primary navigation, the sidebar. So if you want the content and the sidebar, or the sidebar and the content, the layout, then you can determine the changes in the layout that needs to be done here, the footer and the blog. Then you have these options of colors. So you can specify if you do not need the background color, you don't like the gray color and you want to make it white, then you can do that. You can make these changes here, text color, link color. If I go back, you have all these options. Then you have a typography option. So if you want to change the font, the header weight, maybe you want the headers to be bold, then you can do that here. Then you have a general options here, which is not really useful. Then there is menu. Menu is something that is the navigation. So if you're starting out, you'll have to create a menu. You can look for it, what it is. Then there are widgets. Widget is something that you put on the sidebar. So this is a widget. Recent comments is a widget. And then if you have any additional changes that you need to do, then you can, and you know how to write code, then you can use this option to have simple CSS written here. Now these are all the free options, and in my opinion, even if you do not want to spend money on a paid theme, you should still go with GeneratePress, because it's a very good, very nice theme. And when you have the ability to pay for it, then you take their paid version, their paid theme. Let me also show you how to get the paid theme. If I open GeneratePress here, So you have a premium theme here. When you take their premium theme, what they allow you to do is install a plugin, and to make these premium modules available you need to install that plugin. So let me show you how to do that. I would go to plugins here and I would click on add new, and this is how you add any plugin. So there are two ways. You can either search for the plugin here if it is available for free, or if it's a paid plugin, most of the time you would get a zip file and you need to upload that file. So I click on upload plugin, I click on browse, I go to downloads, and here I have the GeneratePress premium plugin. I would have this, install this, and activate the plugin. Now I have a key for that plugin which is given to me when I purchase the premium theme, and I would have to put in that key to make those premium modules available. So I would configure this, and here I would have to put in the theme and put in the key here and click on save. And once I do this, now it says receiving updates, which means that now it is connected and now I have the premium modules. Now these are all the premium modules available. So you can see there are so many different options now. I can click here and say activate. So now all these options are now available to me. Now if I go back here to appearance, customize, see that things would have changed now. There would be many more options available to customize the site. So now I have these options. Let me show you a couple of options. Something that I really like is changing the layout. So in this case, if I go to a container, then you can see that I can change the container width here. So as of now it's 1200, but if I want it to be lesser, then I can do this. All it's like a drag and drop thing, and you can simply change this. I typically keep it as 1200. You can change the separating space, this space here between the sidebar and the main text that goes here. So you can change this here, as you can see, and you can change a lot many things. Similarly, if I go to, let's say, sidebar, then I can change how big my sidebar would be. As of now, the sidebar is 25%, but if I want it to be more, then I change, sorry, not the left sidebar, the right sidebar, because I have it on the right. If I change this, you can see that the sidebar expands. So you can easily change this. This is something I really love about GeneratePress, because I want to keep my sidebar a little wide. So there are so many customization options available. You just need to go through it and you'll have many things that you can change. You can change the typography, the colors, you can change the footer, you can change many things with GeneratePress, and you can make it look a lot more professional. So a premium theme is what I'm using at craftofblogging.com and on all my websites that I have. So this is how you can install a theme. If you are not looking for a paid theme, if you want to stick with the free themes, then you can simply come to themes here. If you can find the theme that you want, you can click here and search for it. So if you have some theme which is available here, then you can install it. Any of these themes, you can try it out. There is no harm. Or if you have a theme's zip file, then you can upload the theme from here, browse it, install it, and it will be activated. So this is how you can install a theme in WordPress. That's it in this video. I hope you found this useful. Thank you and have a nice day.